Good afternoon, Gulbarga. Welcome to the final of the KPL Premier League Season 2 between the Station Eagles and Rosa Stars. हमारे दोनों teams lineup के लिए ready हैं. I welcome both the teams to kindly come up and start the wonderful ride. Can we have song, please? KPL song. I request all the match officials to join us for this wonderful KPL Season 2 final.
गेम का नेम ये हम दिल से देखे गेम ये है क्रिकेट गेम का नेम ये काम ऐसा कर जाएगा हर बच्चा बूढ़ा दोहराएगा.
Tails is the call and tails it is. So Rosa Stars have won the toss. Toss हमेशा काफी important होता है and you have won the toss. So what are you going to decide to do?
We would like to bat.
So news from the middle is that the Rosa Stars have won the toss and they are batting first.
Already toss completed, toss won by Rosa Stars and they have decided to bat first. The two openers comes off to the middle. Captain Syed Ali Al-Hussaini and along with Mahesh Jadhav. Left hand, right hand combination. Man at different leg, man at deep third man. First ball of this final match. He starts off down the leg side. Good ball, use the bat, straight to the wicket keeper. Oh, this is sportsmanship. Not to wait for the umpire signal, Captain Ali Al-Hussaini is straight away walking back to the pavilion. Good ball, slightly kept low, looks for the quick single. And so mix up. Has it gone? Yes, where the celebration starts. The batsman Mayur Patil is the man. Third umpire decision. On the big giant screen, the decision is out. Oh, he jumped the bat straight to the wicket keeper. It's Mohammad Munir is the man. He goes bang to the outside. This might be first boundary for Rosa Stars. Welcome boundary. He goes bang again. Merrick Bidwick straight to the man. Wicket number 4. Nicely played that one straight to the bowler side. Directed, it's all over. It's all over. Bowled him. Wicket number 6. This time Mahesh Jadhav. Good ball, use the bat. Outside edge of the bat. Janon Nick straight to the wicket keeper. Wicket number 7. And Rosa Stars, they are in deep trouble. Want to go for the big one in the air, straight to the man. Srinivas Kanti takes the catch. Wicket number 8 goes down. Extra cover. Basarat punch cut him, missed it. Second boundary for Rosa Stars. He cuts that one through the deep third man area. Ball running away to the boundary. Third boundary, back to back boundary. He goes high. It went up miles in the air. Fielder underneath and takes it. Wicket number 9 goes down. So 9th wicket goes down. Last pair in the center. Ganesh Gormane comes up to the middle. Really nice catch from Lokesh Rathod at tip wicket. Mohammad Akbar Hussain is the man who wants to go for the big shot. He goes high. And the fielder at long on. Can he take the catch? He taken. It's all over. Rosa Stars were all out for 83 in 18.4 overs. 18.5 balls. Javed Ahmed is the man. He holds down at long on the onside. So 83 all out in 18.5 overs. The target for the Station Eagles 84 in 20 overs. So second innings start to resume. The target for the Station Eagles is 84 in 20 overs. This score has been defended by Station Eagles in the last match against Market Super Kings. So this is a game of cricket. Cricket is a game of glorious uncertainties. Anything can happen at any time. You never know. So here we go. Good start to the innings. Good start from the bowling by Ganesh Gormade. And nicely worked that onto the onside. This might be the first boundary for Station Eagles. Flex it beautifully down the ground to the onside. First boundary for Station Eagles. Nicely placed that onto the onside again in the gap. Two fielders behind the ball. I don't think they will get it. Another boundary in the same place. And the result will be the same. Second boundary in this over. He comes down the track and in the gap. What a shot. Third boundary to Chandrasekhar Patil. Edge of the match, get to the fielder. Good start to the over. Mohammad Munir is the catcher. And what a catch that is. He pulls that one, it's up in the air. It could and taken. What a catch. And this is a big wicket. And this is a big wicket. Oh, cuts it nicely, but there is a man, Mahesh Jadhav. Can he field that ball? It doesn't. Into the fence for a boundary. What a shot from captain Mohammad Noman. It chipped in the air and taken. And Mohammad Munir becomes the number one bowler. Bowled him! Wicket number 4. Oh, shot off lamp ball. One bounce into the hands of the man, Mohammad Mohsin. And they're back for the second. This could be tight. It's all over. It's a suicidal run out. It's a suicidal run out. Oh, shot off lamp ball. One bounce into the hands of the man, Mohammad Mohsin. And they're back for the second. This could be tight. It's all over. It's a suicidal run out. It's a suicidal run out. It goes high. Wicket number 6. And it does. Would you believe it? Would you believe it? Playing miss again. Appeal by the wicketkeeper. Uday Chauhan is the wicketkeeper. It's a refer to the third umpire. Third umpire, after looking at different angles on the television, it's a given out. It's in the air, straight to the man, and mix up, wicket number 9. Would you believe it? Hold him! It's all over! Rosa Stars are the champions! 5 wickets from Mohammad Munir!
काम है अपना शोर मचेगा सबको दिखेगा जोश है इतना खेल दिखाना सबको लुभाना
I welcome you all to the presentation ceremony of the finals of KBN Premier League Season 2. This is the second edition of this massive cricket event, and thanks to you all. It has turned out to be a massive success. This initiative of the KBN University has seen massive success under the pioneer leadership of Janab Dr. Syed Shafis Hussaini Sahab, the Chancellor of KBN University. This initiative is like no other seen in North Karnataka, and we thank sir for being the architect of this.
And we have just witnessed the final match of this tournament. The final was played between Rosa Stars and Station Eagles. Today has turned out to be a spectacular match between the two deserving teams. But one team has to lose and the other team has to win. This is the nature of the game. I congratulate both the teams for their efforts which they have put in today. And I congratulate, many congratulations to the Rosa Stars.
Moving forward, we'd like to proceed by felicitating our guests for the day who have spared some of their precious moments to be with us here today. To begin, may I request our beloved President Sir to kindly felicitate Mr. Mohammad Azharuddin.
To kindly felicitate the chief guest, Mr. Herschel Herman Gibbs, who's travelled all the way from South Africa just for this event.
Ladies and gentlemen, the idol of many. I'm sure you've seen him bat. I'm sure you've seen him create history. Please put your hands together for Herschel Gibbs, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, sir. Thank you for being with us here today. I request the Pro-Chancellor
Yeah, I think it's a different, the modern day cricket is a very different one, and myself and Azza obviously grew up, you know, in the olden days, but I was lucky enough because I played almost 200 T20 games, so I understand the modern day cricketer and what it's all about, you know. I think for us, obviously wanting to be test players first and foremost, compared to the cricketers today, they have an option obviously of maybe wanting to play test cricket, wanting and play ODI cricket as well, or specifically T20 cricket. So the cricketer today is a lot different to how we were when we obviously grew up and when we played. But I think, I mean, if there's advice that I could give, you know, the players today, the batsmen have improved their skills. You know, they've come up with a lot of different shots. The bowlers, for me, the change-ups are the only one that they've come up with. You know, like, and I tweeted about this the other day, is that there's very few bowlers in the world. I know, obviously, Bumrah, Malinga, Mitchell Starc, they're very good at bowling Yorkers. You know, and I think there's very few batsmen in the world that can actually hit Yorkers. I mean, if you land a Yorker right where it's supposed to be, it's impossible to get that for six. So a lot of the bowlers these days rather go up for change-ups, a slower ball, rather than Yorkers. And I'm not sure why they don't want to bowl Yorkers. Yeah, but I don't know what they practice. What do they practice at practice? What are they actually practicing? It's so easy for them to bowl a change-up. So are they taking the easier way or not? I mean, I don't know. I don't know what the bowlers think. Why aren't you bowling more Yorkers?
लोग यॉर्कर्स ज़्यादा क्यों नहीं डालते? जब यॉर्कर्स पे छक्के नहीं पड़ते, जानते हो आप लोग तो यॉर्कर्स क्यों नहीं डालते? सर ये बोल रहे हैं कि अपनी प्रैक्टिस में यॉर्कर्स डाला करो, यॉर्कर्स प्रैक्टिस किया करो. It will help you guys.
Yeah, we'll try. I'm trying, you know, because the batsmen have improved. But I think your all-round game, it's not about just hitting boundaries. The batsmen I'm talking. It's not about just hitting boundaries. You could see the players today, when they couldn't get singles, what happened? The pressure built up. So they couldn't score boundaries, but they couldn't get singles as well. So your singles and rotation of strike is just as important as hitting boundaries. You can't be a complete player if you can't rotate the strike and hit ones. If you look at Virat in one day in ODI cricket, he starts it very slowly, doesn't he? Because he rotates the strike. When he's in, he then starts hitting boundaries. So your rotation of strike is just as important as hitting fours and sixes. This game is not just about fours and sixes. And that is why, unless you can face dot balls, the dot balls is how many dot balls you face in your innings will be the most important stat. Not about fours and sixes. The less dot balls you have, the better only for you and for your team. Because it won't put pressure on the batsman still having to come in. Remember that. And that you can only improve by practicing your touch game. And when I'm saying touch game, I'm saying sweeping, lapping, etc., etc. It's not sweeping. Using your feet to the spinners. That's just as important as hitting fours and sixes. But just remember that. Rotation of strike. Because it takes the pressure off. If you can't get off strike, then you're putting pressure on the other batsman as well. Just remember that. So in the nets, practice hitting the ones is tools. Not just about fours and sixes. It's like the bowlers bowling a slower ball. That's easy for them. They can't bowl a Yorker when they need to. For the batsman, same thing. Rotation of strike just as important as fours and sixes. Alright? Remember that.
Advice yaad rakhna bhaiyo, it will help you guys in future. So you obviously have played with the best of South African players like Callis, Law, ABD. The 430 for you guys chased down against Australia legendary. Like, so how is it with the Protean team? Like, what is the transfer like? Especially on a side note, on a personal note, how is ABD as a person?
AB? Yeah, I mean,
we love him. We all love him.
I know.
So welcome, sir. I feel lucky because I'm holding the mic and standing in front of you and asking questions for the second time.
Sure.
So you've been associated with Khaja Banda Nawaz University, Khaja Education Society, and also the Premier League. How do you feel, and any suggestions for us this evening?
I think first of all, I would like to welcome Herschel, my very good friend. I won't call him an opponent now. I was playing in Eton Garden. I was also there at that time when he and Lance Klusner made their debut. And I think after that, he became one of the finest players. And I want to welcome him to India. After a long time, you are coming to this part. But I want to tell you that this doesn't come under Hyderabad. It comes under Bangalore Royal Challenge. Right?
Yes.
Yes, I know.
Forget about the IPL. Tomorrow again we have an exhibition match. Azhar's 11 and Gibbs 11. Any expectations for us?
Well, a lot of expectations. People are expecting a lot, but please don't. I just want to tell you because I don't think I can compete with him. I've seen him right when he made his debut. Now I think more or less looks the same except for those big tattoos, which I think it got done about after I'm meeting him after almost 19 years. Yeah, so you can imagine,
So you've been you obviously are the brand ambassador of KBN University, right? And you've been associated with us over the last 1 year. How do you find us today, sir, from where we started and where do you think we'll be in the next 10 years?
Yeah, I think first of all, it was a tremendous effort. We got the university now, so we have the university. I'm very happy to be associated with the KBN College, institute, and the fellows here, Ali and Mustafa. I think they've been very, very kind, and special thanks to my very good friend Azhar Mustafa. I think it's only because of him I think I'm standing here. Otherwise it would have been very, very difficult being here, and he worked very hard for it. And I think like a family, I know Putra Uncle for a very, very long time, and he's been a pillar of strength this side of the place, and everybody knows him all over the world. And thank you very much. Thank him for making me the brand ambassador, and thank Ali and Mustafa. I think they really worked very hard, and I really enjoyed Ali's fielding today, so I'm very inspired to field well tomorrow.
A cash of rupees 10,000 goes to Janab Syed Ali Al Hussaini Sahab for being the best batsman, and a trophy handed over by Mr. Solomon, the coach of Rosa Stars, champions. Round of applause, a very sweet gesture by the coach, Mr. Solomon.
Ladies and gentlemen, moving on to the man of the match of the finals between, of course, the Station Eagles and Rosa Stars. Any guesses? Bhai, kaun ho sakta hai man of the match? Not once has KBN agreed on something so unanimously. Ladies and gentlemen, Munir from Rosa Stars is the man of the match for his spectacular bowling. I request Mr. Herschel Gibbs to kindly give away the man of the match award to Mr. Munir. Bhai, bhaag ke aaiye, Herschel Gibbs bhaag raha hai aapke liye. Come on.
Congratulations. Imagine, I don't know how many tournaments you've been playing, but this tournament is going to be very memorable for him, because Herschel Gibbs, right at the moment, handing over him the trophy for man of the match of the finals. Rosa Stars, and for the
he receives a cash prize of rupees 5,000 sponsored by the KBN Premier League, and 5,000 from Mobile Hub. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Mr. Dhaval Kothari with us, who would like to say a few words before giving away his award.
Good evening, everyone. All throughout the tournament, we've been talking about fitness, highlighting the importance of fitness levels for playing a sport like this. And from Titan and from my end, I'm pleased to present activity band, a fitness band, to Mr. Munir for his outstanding performance. And what better could it be when we have two of the fitness icons on the stage who can do it for me. May I please request Mr. Gibbs and Mr. Azharuddin to do the honors for me. Thank you so much.
round of applause, people. And now, coming up to the runners-up of KBNPL Season 2, I request the captain and the coach and a few players to kindly come to the stage and collect the cash prize of rupees 2 lakhs for being the runners-up of Khaja Bandha Nawaz Premier League Season 2, brought to you by Mega Speed Broadband Private Limited.
I request the captain, the coach and the owners of the team to kindly come up. Not all the players, let's just have the captain as a representative of the entire team. May I request the owner of Station Eagles to kindly come and join us here on the stage, with the coach, of course, of Station Eagles to kindly come and collect rupees 2 lakhs. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. Station Eagles, the runners-up of KBN Premier League Season 2.
A whooping amount of rupees 2 lakh goes to Station Eagles. Congratulations. Out of all the 8 teams, you have made it up to the finals and emerged as the runners-up. And we are giving away a cash award of rupees 5,000 from Khaja Bandar Nawaz Premier League Board. Congratulations. I always used to hear Mr. Manjanath speaking, catches win the matches. So this goes to Mr. Harish JK. And a whooping amount of rupees 5,000 handed over to Mr. Madhav Bajaj as the best fielder. Round of applause.
The only player to have scored a century in this season. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Syed Tamim Hussaini, the only century maker of Khaja Bandar Nawaz Premier League 2019. Mr. Sheikh Khalid is from the Market Super Kings. The best wicket-keeper award for effecting 14 dismissals, Mr. Sheikh Khalid from Market Super Kings, ladies and gentlemen. Put your hands together, please.
So congratulations to Mr. Mohammad Munir, who's grabbed the title of the best bowler of the tournament, Khaja Bandar Nawaz Premier League Season 2. A cash award of rupees 15,000 by the Khaja Bandar Nawaz Premier League Board, and the cricket spikes handed over to Mohammad Munir, sponsored by Shahid Khadri all the way from Jeddah.
Mr. Munir wants to credit the victory to Mr. Ganesh. Munir bhai ka opinion hai ki Ganesh deserves it more than he does because he was keeping the economy down for dot balls, for not letting the opponent score basically.
Congratulations. This is something like a feather to the cap. Munir being the winner, keeping the big heart.
ये होता है जब बार-बार अवार्ड मिलता है तो आदत पड़ जाती है.
Now moving on to the best batsman of the tournament. I request Mr. Noman to kindly come and receive the cricket bat in rupees 10,000 handed over by Khaja Bandar Nawaz Premier League Board. His runs are 275 runs entire tournament. So the best batsman of this tournament goes to Mr. Noman from Station Eagles.
Ladies and gentlemen, the man of the series, Mr. Anil Kumar. Put your hands together. We have Mr. Anil's father here with us. I request sir to kindly come up and collect the awards on his behalf.
And also, the man of the series gets a special cash prize from the Chancellor. The Chancellor and the President of Khaja Education Society, His Holiness Janab Dr. Syed Shah Khusro Husaini Sahab. The man of the series gets the KTM 125 and the special cash prize from the Chancellor of rupees 50,000 goes to the man of the series, and the man of the series is Mr. Anil Kumar. Anil Kumar couldn't really make for this event, so on his behalf, his father. And he is the player from Mominpura Warriors.
I'd like to point out that he's got a cash prize of rupees 50,000, and on behalf, I'm sure, of the entire family and the team, I'd like to thank our beloved President sir for such a grand gesture. He also gets a Duke 125 KTM bike. The Emerging Player Award goes to Mr. Madhav Bajaj. I request him to kindly come up and collect a Honda Activa sponsored by the KBN Premier League Board and Bharat Honda. A special prize, as mentioned earlier, in the memory of Janab Najmul Hussain Sahab, handed over by our own Mr. Tahir Abbas, which is a cash prize of rupees 15,000. The emerging player gets a Honda Activa, sponsored by the KBN Premier League and Bharat Honda.
The stunning black Activa goes to Madhav Bajaj. And now moving on to the eye-catcher player of the tournament. It goes to Mohammad Munir. A beautiful Bajaj Avenger handed over to Mohammad Munir. Now Munir will be seen seated on Avenger.
Shoes छोड़ने का कारण अब पता पड़ा। मुनीर भाई ये किसको देना है?
Munir bhai, I was anchoring the entire tournament, and I'll tell you that was spikes, so that's the reason he didn't really take that, because it'll affect the gear and the brake. And now coming to the winners trophy. This trophy is worth rupees 1,60,000, made by the makers of Moinuddin Dola Trophy. Moinuddin Trophy, handcrafted this is. The value of this trophy is around 1,60,000, and the cash prize of rupees 4 lakhs will be handed over to the winners of Khaja Banda Nawaz Premier League Season 2. And you know who the winners are. The winners are, this is the champions of Khaja Banda Nawaz Premier League Season 2. Rosa Stars, the champions of Premier League Season 2. A beautiful scene for all of us.
सबको लुभाना काम है अपना, शोर मचेगा सबको दिखेगा जोश है इतना, खेल दिखाना सबको लुभाना काम है अपना, शोर मचेगा सबको दिखेगा जोश है कितना, हम दिल से देखे गेम ये है क्रिकेट गेम.
Presented by KBN University and Megaspeed Broadband, powered by Mobile Hub and Xiaomi, in collaboration with Hash Include. Media partner GoHash. Our associate sponsors include Shaheen Group of Institutions, Orbis International School, Sunrise Hospital, Max, Birla A1 Strongcrete Cement, AN Banquet, Javed Habib, Drishti Eye Care and Shehbaz Electricals.